Let me say something that might sting a little. If you're exhausted, if you're overwhelmed, and constantly telling yourself that I just need to get through this week somehow, you probably deserve the burnout you are in, my dear. Yes, because you've been running your career, your business, your home like a soldier on an autopilot mode. Emails midnight, deadlines during dinner, your phone, your to-do list, your brain never is off. You've been chopping wood all day, but you never stop to even sharpen your axe. And that's why your energy feels heavy, my dear. Because hard work without alignment doesn't make you stronger. It just disconnects you from your own self. So today I'm going to be showing you the 3 energy switches, I call that will completely change how you can create results in your life. It's how the most magnetic, I would say, peaceful and the most successful women that I know do more with less effort, attract more with less stress in their life, and finally they sleep peacefully at night. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to shift from burnout mode to brilliance mode, because queens, they don't grind, my dear, they align. So now, first, tell me honestly, how many times have you said this? That once this launch is over, once this happens, once this deal is done, once this quarter ends, oh my goodness, yes, then I'll rest, right? And yet, the moment one thing ends, another thing begins, right? Another thing comes up. When was the last time you worked with joy instead of, I would say, against your body, right? That's what this video is about. Getting back to that kind of alignment that you truly, truly deserve. So, my dear, listen to this very, very carefully. There are 2 kinds of people in this world, and those who only see what stands in their way. And most of us, we've become the second kind. Yes or no? Tell me that. We don't see the opportunity. We only see the traffic, the client, the competition, the pressure, all of this. We don't really enjoy what we are doing. We are seeing the endless to-do lists in our life because no one ever taught us to just trust ourselves and just to enjoy the moment. We were told work harder, stay up longer, prove your worth. But no one really told us pause, just breathe and just protect your energy. And here's the truth. You don't need more motivation. You just need mental stillness. Yes, my dear. You don't need another strategy. All you need is a new state of beingness. So, my message to you is stop doing things just because they look productive. Your energy does not care about being busy. It only responds to your intent, right? Just think about it. You know that day when you forced yourself to send 5 follow-up emails, you jumped between calls and then still felt as if nothing moved forward. That's called hard work. And now I want you to think of the day when you just spent 2 hours with full focus, with a clear, calm intention, a calm mind, no chaos inside. And then suddenly ideas started popping up. Things start flowing. Yes, that's how alignment is looking like to you. Yes, aligned work feels clear, not chaotic. It actually expands you. It does not chain you, does not drain you. What's the one thing that I'm doing out of fear? Ask yourself this question. Write this question in your journal after this video. What is that one thing that I'm doing out of fear, not out of love? Because awareness is your first act of alignment, my dear. Always remember that. And the strongest people are not those people who are fastest or toughest. They are the ones who find energy to lift the person next to them even when they are exhausted. Yes, same with life, my dear. You rise when you move from how do I look to how can I lift. When you stop actually obsessing over how your content is performing and instead you start actually focusing on how many hearts that you're touching, that is when growth starts. Yes. And when you stop trying to sound smart in a meeting and instead just focus on making others feel seen, you become a leader. You lead, my dear. The woman who's rooted in service doesn't chase any validation. Remember that. She is a channel of contribution. And that shift, that's the frequency that magnetizes support, opportunities, and success effortlessly. So ask yourself once again this question. Who can I ask? Who can I support today without expecting anything back? And I know sometimes, my dear, you are the problem. And that's not the bad news. That's freedom. Because the moment you say, maybe I am the one creating all of this stuckness inside of me, you stop being a victim of your environment and become the architect of your own energy. You can't say my team drains me if you haven't set boundaries. You can't say I never have time if you keep saying yes to everything. You can't say my business isn't growing if you refuse to delegate. Accountability doesn't take away your power. It amplifies your power, because when you own your own energy, you can change your results completely, right? Once again, write this question in your journal. What part of my life am I blaming someone else for? Yes, it's a most powerful question. And I want you to be radically honest with this, right? Because this one shift can change everything. My dear, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to stop being unavailable for your own peace. Stop waiting for the world to slow down for you. Be the woman who slows down for her own self. So pause before the next call and take 3 deep breaths. Yes. Say no without apologizing. Take a walk without checking your phone. These tiny acts of alignment will define you. You're not lazy. This is called leadership, my dear. So once again, I want you to today, right now, close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Put your hands on your heart and say this with me. I am the energy queen of my life. I am not chasing anyone anymore. I choose peace before progress. I am not running. I am rising to my own power, because I am an energy queen. And my alignment creates my results. Yes, I am an energy queen. So now go through your day asking just one question, okay? Is this aligning me, or am I trying to prove myself, or am I proving? If that is proving, just pause, right? And just take a deep breath and say, I am an energy queen, alright? If this message hits something deep inside you, if you've done working harder, if you're ready to now lead with energy, with ease, impact, and create more impact, then join me in my Energy Queens Masterclass. It's not about working harder, it's about leading with energy. Yes, my dear, because when your frequency leads, success automatically follows. Alright, so see you inside. Meti Miraki to you, my love. Stay blessed. Keep shining. I love you.